Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Barbados. On tonight's menu, Caribbean Pepperpot. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. All the marinade goodies. The marinade and the beef, going to marry them. Here's the beef in the marinade. And it's going to be in the cold box for just over 2 hours. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Browning the beef. And I pull the beef and set it aside. Then I add the onions, the hot pepper, and the garlic and saute. After that, I add the beef back in and all the herbs. And then I add in the coconut milk and the stock. And here it is after being stirred. And then it's going in the hot box for 2 hours. Then after the 2 hours, I add the butternut squash and the red bell pepper. Here it is all mixed together. Then back in the hot box for just over 30 minutes. And here it is out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.